Hey guys, it's Mary, and I finally have all of my goodies from the last HSN mini craft day. And it wasn't because anything was on extended delivery, but I made some last minute decisions. And so I saved a couple till I got them all. So, all right. So, first thing is I purchased the diamond press stencil, the Art Deco. Excuse me. I'm still getting over my cold. And I thought these would go great with I got some of the Roaring 20 papers from Crafter's Companion. And then I've got some older stuff. So I thought these would be perfect. And I love that whole. All right, so let's take a look at them. And like I said, I love the stencils that, I forgot they had the small ones too. I love the stencils that they do. So, all right, so let me get a piece of paper and we can take a look at these. So this one is called Burst. Diamond. Oh, these are going to be great with glitter gel. Deco Lily. All right, one of my favorites. Look at that. Oh my word, that is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Fans. Love, love, love. Oh, this is so pretty. Deco Floral. Love that. Oh, this is pretty. Shells. Wow, I really like that. That's different. I haven't seen a pattern like that. And then Hex Burst. And those are the big ones. And then let's see what the words say. Best wishes, here for you, to a good friend, cheers, birthday wishes, hey there, thanks for being there, celebrate, it's your birthday, you are the best, feel better, you're amazing, and good luck. And they're all in that kind of 20s font. Oh gosh, this is great. I don't know why either I didn't notice or I just don't remember that the words were in here. This is great. So let's take a look. Get these out of the way. You know, they always have a little sheet to show you what it'll look like on different size cards. So A2 5x7 and slim lines for each of them. Oh, I cannot wait to use this one. This is going to be great. And there's the rest of them. And then it just shows what each of the little sayings look like. So, once again, not disappointed with the Diamond Press. Love, love, love. So, all right. So then this was the one I've been waiting for because this was truly a last minute decision. And this was for, what did you call them? They're just the tall, skinny, from Crafter's Companion. Thank you. Happy birthday. Hello. Hugs and kisses. I just thought they were perfect. These three for sure I'll use the most. Let's take a look. It says they're 3.7 by 2.8. This one's 3.8. The rest of them are 3.7. So let's take a look at one of these though. You know, I thought, I don't know how many times about this. Oh, look at that. That is going to be great. All right, let me measure exactly how tall these letters are. So the letters are somewhere, all right, almost 2 3/4, depending on what letter it is. So nice size. And the thing that I like is that you can cut the letters out, but then you can also, you have the negative, and then you can use a negative and then build a, use a negative for a shaker card. So, so I'm really pleased with these. All right, so let's, all right, so that's those. And then I made the decision to get the We Are Memory Keepers sticky folio. And that was a last minute decision. I think I bought it just before they sold out. And I've got sticky sheets, and they're okay. But the thing that I liked about this was that you can see where you've used it. So let me, and it came with an extra set. It came with a set of sheets. And then I bought there was a add-on that you could buy. Sorry for all the noise. Oh. So this is what came with it, which was funny because it was open on the side and it's supposed to have 10, but it only has 9. But, you know, I'm not gonna get crazy about it. All right, so it has this little tie, which would have been nicer, I think, if it was attached to the back so that you peeled it off, but you didn't actually lose this, kind of like dress books have. So it comes with this little tool, this is supposed to use to go like that. And then it's also tweezers on the other side. But I don't know that you'd need it. I mean, I don't use anything with the other ones, but we'll see. You'd think I would, okay, here. We'll do this. So I've got this little gnome. All right, so it goes into this kind of like a, it's like a hole punch. But, and then, I don't know if you can see, hopefully you can. The dots are colored. So let me put it up here. All right, so you just use it just like you would a regular All right, so I mean it's fine, but if you wanted, you could go like that just to make sure they were all on. But there, they're all on there, and you can see where you used it. And it's supposed to be super sticky, permanent adhesive. So it's stickier. It's stickier than the sticky sheets that I currently have. So and then you just cover it back up. This side here is a quick release so that you don't have to fight with pulling it off. So anyway, so that's it. I think I'm just getting ready to do a an event, and it's a 4-day event with scrapbooking cards today. They're Crop and Create. I've been doing their events for, I think this will be the 3rd year. And there's always, you know, the tiny little sentiments, and they're always, you know, talking about layering them so that they have more dimension. And some of them are pretty fine, and it's hard to get the little glue on them and stuff. So this, that was what I had in mind when I got this. That would be so much simpler to use this instead of trying to glue all the little layers on. So I'm not sure about this part, but it's all good. So anyway, so that's it. WeRMemoryKeepers sticky folio, diamond press, Gemini, Crafter's Companion, that's the end of the haul. And I think I heard somebody say that there is an actual full day of crafts coming up. I don't know. Oh, we'll see. Anyway, so let me know in the comments if you got any of these and how you like it. A friend of mine made a decision that she wanted one of these too late, and I guess you can't get them in any stores anywhere. So it made me even happier that I had made the decision at the last minute to get this one. So anyway, so let me know what you think. So that's it. It might be a few days before I do another video since I'm getting ready for this week. Actually, it's not this weekend, it's next weekend. But so much homework to get done, you know, prep work for the classes. So, and I would like to get healthy. I know, it's like, if spring would only come and stay, it probably would be helpful for everybody. So, all right, so that's it. Comments. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell, and that will send you notifications when there's a new video. I try to be consistent, but sometimes life gets in the way, and it's a little bit between posting videos, so that way you'll never miss one. So that's it. So until the next one, stay safe, stay well, happy crafting. Bye-bye.